We all love the feeling of a new car, that new car smell, the sleek design, the admiring glances. It's a sensory experience that can make us feel on top of the world, even if just for a moment. It's tempting to stretch our budgets for a taste of luxury. The allure of driving a high-end vehicle can be powerful, making us believe that owning such a car will elevate our status and bring us happiness. But what if that shiny new car becomes a roadblock to your financial dreams? The initial joy can quickly turn into a burden, as the reality of monthly payments, insurance costs, and maintenance expenses set in. Buying a car you can't truly afford can trap you in a cycle of debt and stress, making it difficult to save for other important goals like buying a home, starting a business, or even taking a much-needed vacation. This financial strain can delay your journey to financial freedom, forcing you to make sacrifices in other areas of your life. The stress of managing debt can take a toll on your mental and emotional well-being. Instead of chasing status symbols, let's shift our focus to building a solid financial foundation. Prioritizing savings and investments over luxury purchases can lead to long-term financial stability and peace of mind. Remember, true success isn't measured by the car you drive, but by the financial security you build for yourself and your loved ones. It's about having the freedom to make choices that align with your values and goals. Financial security allows you to provide for your family, pursue your passions, and enjoy life without the constant worry of debt. It's about creating a legacy of stability and opportunity for future generations. Let's explore how making smart car buying decisions can pave the way for a brighter financial future. By choosing a car that fits your budget and needs, you can enjoy the benefits of ownership without compromising your financial health. When considering a car purchase, it's easy to get caught up in monthly payments. But true affordability goes beyond the monthly loan amount. It's crucial to factor in insurance, gas, maintenance, and potential repairs. These hidden costs can quickly add up, turning your dream car into a financial burden. Before you sign on the dotted line, ask yourself, can I comfortably manage all the expenses associated with owning this car? Will this purchase compromise my ability to save for other important goals like a down payment on a house or investing in my education? By honestly assessing your financial capacity, you can make a responsible choice that aligns with your overall financial well-being. Even the world's most successful individuals understand the importance of spending wisely. Take Warren Buffett, for instance. Despite being one of the wealthiest people on the planet, he drove a used Cadillac for years and still lives in the same house he bought in 1958. Buffett's approach to wealth isn't about deprivation. It's about smart allocation of resources. He understands that a car is a depreciating asset, meaning it loses value over time. By choosing value over extravagance, he freed up capital to invest in assets that appreciate, like businesses and stocks, ultimately building his incredible wealth. Luxury cars often come with luxury price tags, not just for the car itself but for everything associated with owning one. Insurance premiums skyrocket, maintenance costs soar, and even a minor fender bender can result in an astronomical repair bill. Imagine facing a hefty repair bill you hadn't budgeted for. Suddenly, that symbol of success becomes a source of stress, potentially derailing your financial stability. Remember, true wealth isn't about appearances. It's about having the financial security to navigate life's unexpected challenges with confidence. Section 5. Investing in yourself, the best return on investment. Instead of pouring your hard-earned money into a depreciating asset like a car, consider investing in yourself. Education, professional development courses, or even starting your own business. These are investments that appreciate over time, yielding dividends in the form of increased earning potential and personal fulfillment. Imagine the satisfaction of landing your dream job because you invested in acquiring new skills, or the pride of building a successful business from the ground up. These achievements are far more rewarding and enduring than the fleeting satisfaction of owning an expensive car. Section 6. The long game: financial freedom through smart choices. Financial success is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about making consistent, responsible choices that compound over time, leading to long-term financial security and freedom. Buying a car you can truly afford is a crucial step in this marathon. Imagine the peace of mind that comes with knowing you can handle life's curveballs without financial turmoil. Imagine the freedom to pursue your passions, travel the world, or retire comfortably, all because you made smart financial decisions early on. By playing the long game, you set yourself up for a future filled with possibilities, not financial constraints. Section 7. Building a strong foundation. Budgeting for a secure future. Creating a realistic budget is the cornerstone of sound financial planning. It allows you to track your income, expenses, and savings goals, providing a clear picture of your financial health. Start by listing your essential expenses: rent or mortgage, utilities, groceries, transportation, and debt payments. Then allocate funds for savings and discretionary spending. By following a budget, you gain control over your finances, ensuring you have enough to cover your needs, achieve your goals, and still enjoy life's pleasures without falling into the debt trap. Section 8. Resisting the pressure you define your own success. In today's consumerist society, it's easy to fall prey to the pressure of keeping up with the Joneses. We're bombarded with messages equating material possessions with success and happiness. But remember, you define your own success. Don't let societal pressures dictate your financial decisions. True success stems from living within your means, making responsible choices, and building a secure future for yourself and your loved ones. Be confident in your choices, knowing that you're prioritizing long-term financial well-being over fleeting material gratification. Section 9. The power of delayed gratification, reap long-term rewards. Delayed gratification, the ability to resist immediate pleasure for a greater reward later, is a hallmark of successful individuals. It's about understanding that sometimes, the most rewarding things in life require patience, discipline, and a willingness to forego instant gratification. Instead of splurging on an expensive car, imagine channeling those funds into a down payment on your dream home, investing in your children's education, or securing a comfortable retirement. By delaying gratification and making strategic financial choices, you set yourself up for a future filled with greater rewards and lasting fulfillment. Section 10. Your future, your choice. Steer towards financial wellness. Remember, your financial future is in your hands. Every choice you make today will have a significant impact on your tomorrow. Every decision you make, from the car you drive, whether you choose a modest vehicle or a luxury one, to the way you manage your money, such as using budgeting apps or maintaining a financial planner, shapes your financial trajectory. By making informed, responsible choices, you take control of your financial destiny. Consulting with financial advisors and educating yourself through books on personal finance can provide valuable insights. Steering yourself towards a future of financial security and freedom is a rewarding journey. Imagine the peace of mind that comes with knowing your family is secure and your financial statements reflect your hard work. It's never too early or too late to start making smart financial decisions. Whether you're a young adult just starting out or a senior couple planning for retirement, every step counts. Educate yourself about personal finance. There are countless resources available, from finance books to online courses that can help you build a solid foundation. Seek guidance from financial advisors. Whether in person or through virtual consultations, their expertise can help you navigate complex financial decisions. Commit to making choices that align with your long-term goals. Setting clear financial goals and marking milestones can keep you motivated and on track. Remember, financial wellness is a journey, not a destination. It's about continuous learning and improvement. Take it one step at a time. Each step you take, no matter how small, brings you closer to your financial goals. Enjoy the ride knowing you're in the driver's seat of your financial future. Embrace the journey with confidence and optimism, knowing that every decision you make is steering you towards a brighter financial future. Section 11. Drive towards your dreams, not just a fancy car. Life is too short to be shackled by financial stress. We often find ourselves caught in the relentless pursuit of material possessions, believing they will bring us happiness and fulfillment. But in reality, these things can sometimes lead to more stress and anxiety. Instead of chasing status symbols, let's focus on building a life filled with purpose, passion, and financial security. Imagine waking up every day excited about the work you do, knowing it aligns with your values and passions. Picture the joy of celebrating milestones with loved ones, not because of what you own, but because of what you've achieved together. Let's make choices that empower us to pursue our dreams, explore our passions, and create a legacy we can be proud of. Whether it's through a creative hobby, a fulfilling career, or meaningful family activities, these are the moments that truly define our lives. Remember, true wealth isn't measured by the car you drive, but by the richness of your experiences, the strength of your relationships, and the impact you make on the world. It's the laughter shared with friends, the peace found in nature, and the satisfaction of giving back to the community that enrich our lives. So drive towards your dreams, not just a fancy car, and watch your life unfold in ways you never thought possible. Embrace the journey with confidence, set clear goals, and take time to reflect on your progress. Each step you take towards your dreams brings you closer to a life of fulfillment and joy. The road to financial freedom and a fulfilling life awaits. Start your journey today. Plan wisely, save diligently, and invest in experiences that bring you happiness. The horizon is wide open, and the possibilities are endless. Your dreams are within reach, and the journey towards them is the most rewarding adventure of all.